Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. This is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate, and this video is about our announcement for the regular test series for your September 2024 attempt. So by regular test series, we basically conduct two test series. One is the reset test series, which is for students who have previously attempted one paper and now they are sitting for it once more or twice more. So depends on if you are resetting the exam. And the second, the regular test series, which this video is about, is for the people who are attempting this exam for the very first time. So before coming to the subjects, I'll give you a general idea as to what we do in the test series. So test series basically consists of 6 topic-wise tests, wherein you are tested on 6 the syllabus areas have basically been bifurcated to be covered in these 6 tests that we conduct. So over here, once you register with us, we are going to add you to the WhatsApp groups, and then you're going to receive emails within which the tests will be contained, and you will be given proper instructions as to how you have to attempt it and send it over to us. So this is about the test series in general. Also, what are we basically helping you with? Number one, we are helping you with practice. A lot of students who might be self-studying may not get to practice well, while someone is evaluating the answers for them. So it's very important for practice, which is required in all ACCA exams. Every exam requires you to practice a lot. So over here we are helping you with that aspect. And the second one is time management. With every exam, we also require you to let us know how much time you are taking to solve the test, so that we can help you with the time management also. Now coming to the papers for which we conduct these test series. So we have been conducting test series for more than a year now, and the papers have been PM, FM and AA. So we are going to be continuing with that, and also we are now happy to introduce 2 professional papers also for test series this time onwards. So it's going to be AAA and AFM additionally from PM, FM and AA. So now talking about the test series subject wise, first of all, let's talk about AA. So AA, your syllabus has been divided into 6 tests. Basically 3 areas have been identified from your syllabus, and they have been covered with 6 tests. What we do is that there are 2 tests for each syllabus area. So 3 major areas, 2 tests for each area. So basically what happens is you attempt the very first test, we give you feedback that okay, this is something which you're doing right, so you continue doing that. This is something which you're doing wrong, so you correct that, so you rectify your mistakes. So this is how we provide you constructive feedback for the first test, and then the second one, it's the same topic, so you're able to implement the feedback that we have given you in the previous test. So this is how the AA test series works. Also over here, there are no live sessions as per se. Over here, Punya will be evaluating your answer scripts, and she's going to give you question wise voice notes, and it's going to be a very detailed feedback which she provides you over the voice notes. And also she's available on WhatsApp all the time for your doubts and queries that you may have, and you can ask her. So this is about AA test series. Also, if you want that most of the students, if they feel that they require some live practice together with her, then you can request her to schedule such a session, and she'll be happy to do that. So this is about your AA test series. Now talking about PM and FM, so this is about again, syllabus has been divided into 6 tests. Those 6 tests are going to be evaluating you as to how prepared you basically are. And once you, again, the process remains similar. You join the once you enroll for the test series, you will join the WhatsApp groups, you'll receive emails with the instructions, you send it back, I check it for you, I give you feedback, and there are also recorded debriefs of the tests. Basically these tests are new questions which I have formulated for PM and FM. So no, these questions you won't be finding anywhere else. AA, I forgot to mention earlier, it's going to be, because the nature of the subject is such that we do not frame new questions for AA. It's going to be questions which Punya has handpicked from the content which is available online. Over here, the main purpose is to evaluate your answers, give you constructive feedback, because over here the main agenda is to help you with the drafting aspect of the answers. So that's why we are doing this way for AA. And for PM and FM, like I was telling you, it's about new questions which I have framed from scratch. And once you attempt the test, once I give it back to you after checking it, you're going to get the access to the recordings of the debriefs through which you will be able to rectify your mistakes. Still, if any doubts persist, you can ask me on WhatsApp. I'm available, and any doubts will be catered to. So this is about PM and FM test series. Also, now talking about the two new editions that we are doing this time. So AAA, again, syllabus has been divided accordingly to cover, to give you a comprehensive practice of the entire syllabus. Similarly, for AFM, we are going to again, for AAA and AFM, these are no new questions. So these questions will be handpicked by us, whichever questions we deem, according to the experience that we have, that which questions are more important, which questions should be given priority, and which should be evaluated by us once you have given the answers. So this is what we intend to do with the AAA and AFM test series. Detailed information about the schedule and prices, if you are interested in it, you can let us know in the DMs. You can DM us on Instagram at beingacca, and we'll help you with all of the details, like what's the schedule of these test series and how much is the price. So you can DM us for that. Also, just to be very clear about the general instructions for all test series, these test series follow a specific schedule. This schedule is not for us, it's only for you, so that you are able to be consistent in your studies. The schedules are not flexible, the deadlines are not flexible. Over here, the main concern is that you are consistent with your studies, you are continuously prepping for the next topic, for the next test. So over here, we ensure that you are remaining accountable to your studies. You continuously practice towards the preparation of your exam. This is our main agenda over here. And also, we sometimes we basically ask the people who are enrolled, the students who are enrolled, if they would want a ranking system to be done. So after every test is done, just so that you have a healthy competition, we give out the marks of all of the students and rank them. So basically, people get motivated next time. I should be the one who scores the highest. So this is also something that we do to create some sort of a sense of a healthy competition in you people, so that you, because the ultimate goal is to clear the ACC exams with good marks. So the aim over here remains the same. We want to help you do that. So these are a few little things that we do so that ultimately you can achieve the topmost goal, which is to clear the exam with good marks. So this is it about the test series for the September 2024 attempt. We cannot wait to start off with this test series and dive into mentoring you all for the exams. Just to give you a general idea, the test series are beginning from the starting of August. So first, second, 3rd August, the test series are roughly beginning. So yes, you can DM us for the schedule and prices, and thank you for watching.